Guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna get right into the tutorial today, starting off with clean, fresh nails, okay, because you want to make sure your nails are clean, have no polish on them before you apply acrylic. Yeah. Okay, so right now I'm going ahead and buffing my nails out just so I can have that as my base, I guess. I don't really know the terminology for all this nail shit, but I just go ahead and buff my nails so they're not shiny or anything, because that's what helps the acrylic like adhere to your nails better. If you have any oils or like nail polish or anything on the nails, the acrylic will not stay on your nails and you will get lifting, and you don't want lifting. So yeah. Okay, so now that the nails are nice and buffed out, I'm going ahead and I'm shaping my nails. So I already glued my tips on because like that's pretty standard information here, okay? But yeah, I just glued my tips on. I cut them down a little bit because they were kind of long. And now I'm going with some scissors and I'm just cutting the sides of them like I would usually do if I'm doing like, you know, like a coffin or a tapered square. But today I'm doing a more pointier nail because I just wanted to try something new. And when I tell you guys, this shaping process took so freaking long, like this is the longest I've ever taken to do my nails. So yeah, I don't know, it took so long. But yeah, I'm just shaping them and then I'm gonna file them to make sure they're really nice and sharp and snatched. Well, I'm not making them too pointy because that's kind of scary, so I'm rounding them off a little bit. So yeah. Okay, so now it's time to apply the acrylic to the nail. So I'm doing like colored nails today, so I'm using this Mia Secrets acrylic as just a base and just to add some strength to the nails, because the colored acrylic that I'm using, I'm not using it for strength or thickness. I'm only using it to apply color to the nails because I'm not using any nail polish today. We're doing all acrylic. So this base acrylic is just going to give us structure and strength so our nails won't break or lift or anything like that. But yeah, I just dip my brush into my liquid monomer and then I dip it into my acrylic powder so I can get a cute little bead. I apply it onto the middle of the nail first because that's where I want to get my strength. That's called the apex of the nail. And yeah, I'm just showing you guys that it's cute and smooth, and yeah. I just do the same thing to the rest of them. Okay, so now I'm going in and I'm gonna start designing the nails, and I'm using this colored acrylic that I actually got from an acrylic nail set from Walmart. It's not the best quality acrylic at all, so I'm not gonna necessarily recommend this, but like if you're low on money and you still want to do your nails, it still does the job. Honestly, it's not the best, but it does what it needs to do a little bit. Okay. So for my nail design today, I'm doing like a little galaxy situation. So I'm using like purples and black and like white for like little clouds and just like specks of like detail, you know what I mean? There's no like real technique with this, so I'm kind of just placing the colors where I think it would look good. Yeah, I'm not going in with a lot of acrylic at all. I'm just using this to apply some color to the nail. So yeah, just watch me do it, okay? And for this nail design, every nail does not have to be the same. It kind of looks better when they all look different because, like, I don't know, it kind of adds a little spice, a little flavor, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's all I gotta say for right here. Okay, so I have all my nails completed now, and now I'm going to go into some clear acrylic just to cap all the nails so that when I file them down, none of the color comes off, okay? Because if you don't cap it, the color will come off, your glitter will come off, it will just look a mess. Like, no, you have to cap your nails with clear acrylic when you're using color or glitter. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing here, and then I'm going to file them. This is a pretty quick video because it took me so long to do them and I didn't want to like make this video too long. Okay, so now I'm just buffing the nails another time so I can get them cute and snatched, and then I'm gonna go over top of this and buff everything so we can have a nice smooth little situation, because you want your top coat to go on so smoothly. You know, you don't want no bumps and lumps in your nails, okay? And then I go in with some clear top coat, and that is literally it, you guys. Okay guys, so these are the finished nails. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little tutorial. If you guys have any suggestions of what I should do on my next set, please let me know, because I'm always constantly looking for new nails to do. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share, and do all that fun stuff. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, all at Makeup by Shania. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!